guys! Welcome to our YouTube food blog. Now let's start making on how to make the perfect dessert of chocolate oatmeal bars. For the ingredients, we need 3 cups of oatmeal, 3/4 cups of honey, 1 cup of plain peanut butter, 1,000 milligrams or 1,000 grams of milk chocolate drink, 1/2 cup of water, and for the last, we need 1 cup of cornstarch. Now let's proceed to the procedure on how to make the step-by-step of our perfect dessert chocolate oatmeal bars. For the first step, grease your pan with butter or oil, then add wax paper and set aside. Now for the next step, preheat your pan in low heat, add the peanut butter and honey, mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the oatmeal, mix it well until all ingredients are combined. When all ingredients are combined, continue mixing and cook it for 5 minutes. Now transfer in a baking pan with a wax paper and spread it evenly. Now use the spoon to press it down the oatmeal while spreading it. Now put in a refrigerator for 15 minutes. Now let's proceed to the next procedure. Put the milk chocolate drink to a casserole. Now preheat in medium heat, mix it, and let it simmer. When the chocolate milk drink is already simmer, mix the water and the cornstarch. Mix it well until the cornstarch dissolve. Now pour the cornstarch mixture to the chocolate drink. Mix it until become thick butter. When the chocolate drink is already thick butter, remove from the heat and continue mixing. Now pour the chocolate milk drink mixture to the first step that we did, to the peanut butter oatmeal and spread it evenly. Now let it cool for 30 minutes. Then after, put in the chiller for 2 hours. Now let's proceed to the procedure and the ingredients for our toppings. For the ingredients, we need 1/4 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And for the last, we need 1 cup of oatmeal. For the procedure, preheat the pan in medium heat, add the butter and let it melt. When the butter is already melted, add the white sugar, mix it for 1 minute. Now add the oatmeal, mix it well for 5 minutes or until become a golden brown. When the oatmeal is already golden brown, transfer in a bowl, let it cool and set aside. After 2 hours, use a paring knife, slice the edge of our chocolate oatmeal bars. Now slice our chocolate milk into bars. It depends on the size that you want. You can make 12 to 20 pieces. For the platings, use a dessert plate, add 1 piece of chocolate oatmeal bars. Now put the buttered oatmeal sugar on the top. And for the last, add and put a chocolate syrup. This helps to add more flavor and color for our platings. And now, this is our yummy, perfect dessert chocolate oatmeal bars. Serve it with a smile and enjoy eating with your family and with your friends. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos, and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Blog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love!